Dear student, in this video we will discuss about what is the sufficient condition for the lines to be parallel. For that purpose, I have taken three situations here regarding the corresponding angles, alternate angles and the co-interior angles. So first of all, we will discuss about the corresponding angle. Here I have taken the two situation. In the first situation I have taken the corresponding angle equal, and in this situation I have taken the corresponding angles, they are not equal. I will show you first they are equal, and in this situation the corresponding angles are not equal with the help of this protector. So if you measure it, you will observe this angle is 120 degrees. Similarly, your angle Y is also 120 degree in this case. And in this case, if you observe, your angle X is almost 100 degrees and your angle Y is 110. So I have taken the two situation. In the first situation, both the corresponding angles equal, and in the second situation, the corresponding angles are not equal. So I need to check whether the lines are parallel or not. For the parallel lines, we have two situations. The first is it must be non-intersecting and the distance between the parallel lines remains same. For the distance, you can see the previous the videos also. In that I have already show you that how to measure the distance of the parallel lines. So what I am doing here, I am just, this is my baseline, so I just fold it along my baseline. Just wait a minute and see it carefully that how I am measuring the distance here. So I just make this as a baseline, or if I make a 90 degree angle here with the help of protector, you can say I am making a 90 degree angle here. If I fold it along this, see, I get a distance here. This is the distance. For the another one also, I am making in the same process. You can find the another distance also. Just measure it with the help of your ruler. If you observe, this is approximately 2.5 and this is also 2.5 in this case. But in this case, if we observe, if I just fold it along again as perpendicular, you can make the perpendicular, and after that also you can fold it. See, I have made two lines here. You can directly see that the distance is not same. In this case, its distance is lesser than this particular distance. So that means these are not parallel. In this case, the distance is same and they are non-intersecting. So P and Q is parallel. So in the this is the case when the corresponding angles are equal, or you can say that only one pair of corresponding angle is is equal. So we will check the situation for the another also in the another cases also. Similarly, I have taken here the alternate interior angle. In this case, the alternate interior angles are equal, and in this case they are not equal. So we need to check whether the lines are parallel or not. I will show you that the angles are equal with the help of my protector. If I just place it here, you will observe this is a 50 degree angle here, and if you just measure it like this, you will observe this is again a 50 degree angle, this angle A. So I have taken the alternate interior angle which are equal, and in this case I have taken the unequal angles, but they are alternate interior. So I need to check whether the lines are parallel or not. By the same process, I am just first taking my baseline here. So for the baseline, I am just folding it because I have already made a line here. So I just fold it so that I'll get the baseline. So I have a baseline here and I am making the 90 degree angle by just placing the 90 degree angle here like this. One more I am taking here. So if you observe, I have two 90 degree angle here. We just measure with the help of our ruler. So if you observe, this is 2.3 and this is also 2.3. In this case, the distance between them, both the parallel lines are same. But in this case, if you observe, this distance and this distance is not same. So again, in this distance, if we take any one pair of alternate interior or exterior, this will hold for both type of alternate angles. So any one pair of alternate interior or exterior angle, if any one pair they are equal, then we can say that the lines are parallel. In this case, in this particular case, I am saying. Now we will check the same thing for the co-interior angle also. You will observe that the sum of these two co-interior angle is 180. I have taken the co-interior angle in such a manner that their sum is 180 degree. I will show you that their sum is 180 degree. Just wait a minute. For this purpose, again I am using my protector. So I just place it here. If you observe, this angle is 70 degree. Angle A is 70 degree here, and angle 2 is 110, and their sum is 180 degree. So I have taken the angle in such a manner that their sum should be equals to 180 degree. And in this case, if you observe, their sum is not 180 degree. I will show you with the help of my protector. This is 95, and for this is my 55. So 95 plus 55 is 150, not 180. This is 150. So they are I have taken the situation like this. In one of the cases, the sum of co-interior is 180 degree, and in the another situation, the sum is 180 degree, not equals to 180 degree. So again, I need to check whether the lines are parallel or not. So by the same procedure, the distance between these two lines should be same. So with the same process, I am marking the perpendicular distance here like this. You can also mark in the same manner. Just measure it with the help of your ruler. This is 2.6 and this is also 2.6, but in this case, if you measure this distance, this is 1.5 and this distance is bigger than 1.5. So what we observe in this case, if the sum of co-interior angle, if the sum of you can say that if the sum of any one pair of co-interior angles is 180 degree, then the lines are parallel. So with this procedure, what we observe, if any one pair of corresponding angle, or you can say that alternate interior exterior angles, or co-interior angles are supplementary, in that case I can say that my lines are parallel. So for showing that the lines are parallel, either I need to show that my corresponding angles are, any one pair of corresponding angles are equal, or I can say that any one pair of alternate interior exterior angles are equal, or I can say that the sum of the angle on the same side of transversal or co-interior angle, they are supplementary. If any one of the condition holds, in that case I can say that my lines are parallel to each other. Hope you understand the concept. Thank you.